So let's say you've got one of the old NXT bricks and you find that the screen isn't working. It kind of makes the startup sound, and then you just get this kind of shash on the screen, just a load of noise garble on the screen. And I've managed to get mine working again, and it stopped flickering now. So what I did was I quite literally rebooted it probably about 10 or 15 times. There you go, it's trying that again. So what I've done, I know that this happened about a month ago and I was using it for a uni project. I was creating a slow spinning fan that we're putting a light through for like a film the students were making, and I needed this thing to work. So I kept it going and I kept rebooting it. I just don't know why, I just kept trying, just fidgeting with it while I was doing my emails. And eventually, after rebooting it several times, the scrambling of the screen got less. It's almost like there's a little capacitor inside it or something. And that needs, kind of goes flat after years of inactivity. So I hear about all of these videos, all of these bits of advice online about taking it apart and doing bits of soldering. Well, I'm not really up for doing that. But just to show you guys that you can, I could in my case, I got this thing working just by rebooting it a few times, leaving it on for 5 or 10 seconds. I know it's horrible because the screen's going all crazy. Turn it off just by pressing the grey button back a couple of times and the orange button, that will turn it off, and rebooting it, leaving it on for a few seconds and keeping trying. Stick with it, guys. It worked for me.